Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This isn't your ordinary 1973 Corvette. This one is loaded to the gills with options. It's numbers match motor, and it came from a super meticulous owner. I'm telling you, everything is dialed in. This car is turnkey, ready to drive and enjoy. Go to volocars.com and you can read all the specs, study about 100 photos, get the price, not only on this car, but a few hundred collector cars, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see them as they come out. Right now, the top's down. Let's go for a spin in a 73 Corvette. 73 is also special. It's a one-year design, just like the 63 split window. It's the only year to have the rubber front bumper and still has the chrome rear bumper. So one-year design makes it unique, makes it collectible. The gentleman I just bought it from, he is an NCRS member. He's done 2 complete body off frame restorations on Corvettes. He's owned this car for 22 years. He promised his wife he would not do a nut and bolt frame off restoration. He always gets carried away and he makes this show car they can't enjoy. She says, I want a Corvette I can drive with you. So he promised her that's what he would do. But it didn't keep him from going through the car front to back. I mean, complete new wire harness. I've got a stack of receipts. One of the receipts was like $1,400 just in the wire harnesses, and he paid 24 hours labor to install it. This map light is new. He paid $100 and some for the map light mirror with a new wire harness. The receipts just go on and on. All new brakes. It was completely professionally repainted by Harmony Corvette. And it's loaded. It has power windows, air conditioning, tilt-telescopic, has a white convertible top, has the removable black hardtop, has the polished aluminum wheels, factory AM/FM stereo, has a rear window defogger, and a convertible, which is really rare, leather upholstery. So it's a pretty well optioned up car. I've read through all these receipts. I'll post a lot of the specs on our website. So getting back to the body, Harmony Corvette, professional restoration, award-winning restoration Corvette facility. They did the car. The paint is gorgeous. It has a TrueFlex rubber bumper instead of the fiberglass original. It's just a better quality bumper than the original. Everything fits real nice. It's beautiful. There's a little fuzzy spot right here. I say fuzzy like it shrunk or something that could probably be polished out. Other than that, this is all like glass. There are some freckles on the door handle. These are originals. There's some scratches from the pin going in there. All fits nice. Top, paint is beautiful. The bumper's real nice. Tail light has the proper exhaust tips coming through the back. There's receipts pertaining to the antenna and the bezel and the base and the wire. He bought all these parts for the correct antenna. Again, rear defrost. There's a blower in here that blows on the rear window. It's a white convertible top. He did replace it a few years ago. It's still mint. It's folded down right now with a towel in the back window so it doesn't get scratched. Tires look like they're new. It has the aluminum wheels. The aluminum wheels were in the sales brochure, but they had issues with them. They didn't come out till later, so technically they're not correct for this car. It is in the sales brochure. It's a nice feature to have on there. Windshield's crystal clear. Down low there is a mild wiper mark in the glass. This all looks good. Like I said, it's got the new bumper. It's got one touch-up right there. Inside the car is real nice. New cushions in this seat. New soft leather. Has a leather armrest cushion. Door panels look like they're really nice original condition. It has new bezel on the console, and up around the radio is new. Carpets look new. There's receipts in there for a light switch in the rear compartment. It's a little minor stuff. The heater core is new. The headlight switch is new. The receipts, like I said, they just go on and on. You pop the hood and we'll start it up for you in a minute. Underneath, the car is real respectable. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The starter looks new. The flywheel cover, turbo 400 trans, it all looks fresh. It's got the original 308 rear end in the back. There's a receipt. He ordered a complete new brake kit, calipers, all of it was new. There's another receipt for parking brake kit, so all that's been replaced. From the tailpipes, mufflers and tailpipes back, that's been replaced. The power steering valve, the power steering pump, that's been rebuilt. Now this actually has cowl induction. The air comes in through there, in through here, into the air cleaner. That's all working as well. There's a new wire harness for that in the receipts. It has the ignition shielding. Everything's proper. So power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, cowl induction. It has the hood insulation pad under the hood there. Just very clean, respectable, nice looking. It is the VIN number matched motor. I have a picture of that on our website. You fire it up. Vacuum headlights work. Motor runs smooth as can be. Interior lights work. So you're getting a good Corvette from a good owner. He's had it the last 22 years. I can tell you from speaking to him several times before purchasing the car, he took really good care of this car. I'm sure that there are no known issues with it. Ready to go enjoy. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. They'll answer whatever questions or concerns you have about the car, the process, the delivery, the financing. We can help with all of that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.